would first like to show you the visuals as we are currently located at the Akshardham area, where you can see behind me that this is the smog which has been engulfed in the air of the national capital, and that is the only reason why GRAP 4 has also been implemented in the national capital, as the CAQM, which is the Commission for Air Quality Management, has also revised its GRAP following the Supreme Court criticism, making stricter measures mandatory, which also includes that the GRAP 4 mandates online only education for all the classes. Even the staggered office timings are also being compulsory for the key NCR districts. In fact, the Delhi's Environment Minister Gopal Rai has also announced some of the stricter curbs with all the government and private offices except the essential services ordered to operate at 50% capacity under the GRAP 4. Offices have also been urged to adopt staggered timings and the work from home policies to reduce the traffic and to combat the pollution. Gopal Rai has also criticized the BJP-led states for inadequate anti-pollution efforts, as we are witnessing at how the blame game is continuing between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, as it is the Aam Aadmi Party which is basically saying that the neighboring states where the BJP is ruling are not cooperating with them. In fact, the BJP is also attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that it has completely failed to fulfill its promises.
Well, Nyamika, too little too late. That is now being done as far as almost on a daily basis. We are looking at several new measures that are now being put in place. But what's the point when it comes to the AQI levels that have already crossed the 500 mark in several areas?
Well, indeed, as this is the 5th consecutive day when there are several areas in the national capital which is still having the severe category AQI, and on an average the AQI is currently at 376 as per the data which is being released by the Central Pollution Control Board, which comes under the very poor category. It has come down a little bit because of the favorable wind conditions, as we have seen that in fact the AQI had also reached to the 500 mark in the previous days, but now it has come down to 376, which is because of the favorable wind conditions in the national capital. But still there is this smog which is being seen everywhere, and there are several hotspots which are still having the AQI which is more than 400, which comes under the severe category. And now the GRAP 4 has been implemented in the national capital, where the online classes have been mandatory for the primary schools. And not just this, but in fact the Environment Minister of Delhi, Gopal Rai, has also urged to all the government as well as the private offices for working at the 50% capacity to reduce the vehicular emission, to reduce the traffic on the roads. Not just this, but in fact there are several tankers which are also sprinkling water so that the dust can be settled down, which is basically a major contributor in this air pollution in the national capital. All of these factors, all of these measures are now being taken up, but it is in fact this is basically a too late action which is being taken on the part of the Delhi government, as
well, that's the point, and exactly the very reason that even when it comes to the court that has pulled up when it comes to the Delhi government. Let's in the meantime put out when it comes to the latest figures here are concerned, because even as we speak, however, as Nyamika was pointing out, with the dip in temperatures that have also been seen, there is a very slight improvement today as we talk about the AQI, as it is now hovering in the very poor to the severe category. However, when it comes to the hotspots in the national capital that have already reported over 500 in the AQI levels. Currently, it's 19 degrees in the national capital, and the live AQI as we are recording for our viewers right now is at 376. Now, this continues to remain as far as when it comes to 300 to 400 category is concerned. It is in the severe category. There you can see as far as the live updates, very close to the hazardous category, and beyond this, in fact, when it comes to areas that have also reported beyond the hazardous category, well, we have seen as far as when it comes to these restrictions in GRAP multiple stages that has been imposed. The question that is now being raised, is it late when it comes to implementing these measures? Because this seems to be the annual phenomena, unfortunately, that Delhiites have to witness. Let's listen into what they have to say.
दिल्ली में बच्चों के स्कूल बंद हो गए हैं। पोल्यूशन से हमें मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है और आने जाने में काफ़ी दिक्कत होती है। सांस लेने में बहुत मुश्किल होता है हमें। इसके लिए कुछ समाधान निकाले दिल्ली सरकार।
पॉल्यूशन तो बहुत हो रहा है जी। आज की डेट में इतना पॉल्यूशन इतनी मतलब इस टाइम पे नहीं होता था, मगर अभी ये है कि अगर ये हो रहा है तो इसको रोकने के लिए गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं कर रही है। यहाँ पे लोगों की तबीयत खराब हो रही है, गले में खराश हो रही है, बुखार हो रहे हैं लोगों को, सर्दी जुकाम खांसी, तो इसके लिए गवर्नमेंट को कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहिए।
सरकार से यही कहना चाहूँगा कि मतलब थोड़ा पर्यावरण पे ध्यान दे, और जो दिल्ली में व्हीकल्स वगैरह इतनी ज़्यादा है, इनकी वजह से भी बहुत ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है, तो इनको एक वे में लेके आए ताकि जिसकी वजह से कुछ कंट्रोल हो पाए। और सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है कि पर्यावरण पे बहुत ध्यान देना चाहिए। पेड़ लगाना और जो पेड़ काटने का ये जो चल रहा है गवर्नमेंट का, वो थोड़ा सा कम करना चाहिए।
पॉल्यूशन फील हो रहा है सर। यहाँ पे मैं जब देखता हूँ ना कि धुआं जब हर जगह होता है, ऐसा लगता है जैसे आग जल गई है ना। तो सर इतना कंटेमिनेटेड है। वैसे हम द्वारका में रहते हैं सर, है ना, वहाँ पे आसपास का एरिया पूरा इतना कंजस्टेड हो रखा है, और मतलब सांस लेने लायक नहीं है वो जगह। तो मैं सरकार से ये अपील करता हूँ कि कुछ करे इसके बारे में और एक्शन लिया जाए।
Well, despite all of the appeals that and the requests that have been made on part of the people there, because they are suffocating due to the deteriorating levels of air quality,